Hi, Hunter.
Hi, Hunter.
No, I'm saying hi to you, silly. Is that your new train? Who got that for you? Nana. Nana and who?
Nana, Papa.
Yeah. Can you look at the camera? Hunter, can you look at the camera and tell them thank you?
Thank you.
You love your train, huh?
No.
Did Santa fall off? He just keeps turning around in circles, playing with his train. Here it comes. What's up, Santa? Oh, Santa fell. Ah! Put him back on the train. Oh, there you go. Okay, use your remote.